Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Sumi's Kashmiri Kitchen and Flower Garden. Today I collected the seeds from Miraplus Jarappa. अच्छी कशीर पेटवाना रात की रानी. It's a called 4 o'clock plant. You can buy it from market and you can plant it through seeds. यह हको इस बेल से तो वबदयत बे हको अथ करित कम गिलासा इस एक फिर लगाओ ये मतलब इस next year पाने खसा. These are very attractive plants. So you can see they are pink in color. I like these flowers very much. I brought it from someone because it was not available in market. So today I am taking out seeds to collect it and so that I can plant it in next year. You can see these are called Mirabla jalapa. You can bring it and you can plant it and it will stay for in your home forever. But the conditions are that you have to collect its seeds. Its seeds are black in color. In the month of August, its seeds are getting prepared and you can take out. See how I am cutting out these black seeds and collecting in a polythene. ये देखिए आप कैसे मैं इसको जो इसका ये है ना ये बीच में इसको कलेक्ट कर रही हूँ so that I can plant it in next season. I like these flowers very much. These are pink in color and I am collecting it in polythene so that I can dry them in sun and can use these plants next year again. See how I am collecting these. These are permanent plants. If you can save these seeds and these will stay in your home for many years. The condition is that you have to keep the seeds collected and you have to plant through seeds and next year they will be the other conditions they can grow themselves also. Mirabla jalapa are permanent plants. Once you brought it you will see these plants will sprout next year themselves. I was collecting the seeds so that I can plant this again and again in other bed. I have made one flower bed this year. I will make others also because I like these plants very much. And these are also called 4 o'clock and they don't need water. They need direct sunlight and they don't need enough water and you don't have to work hard. This is Erica palm. This is canna lily. This is coxcomb. See these seeds. This is canna lily, red orange canna lily, and these are nasturtium. You can see these flowers. This is garden, and I am showing whole garden myself, and I have planted in myself. These are Kashmiri salvias. You can see these yellow flowers. I don't know what the name they have, and this is Mirabla jalapa home seeds. I was collecting this time. You can see. Very pretty. Very pretty. And this is the look of my garden. See how they are blooming this time. You can see them. And they are permanent flowers. You can plant. You have to bring once, and it will stay in your home for years.
Seeds निकालने थे.
See, these are small. I was collecting these seeds. See, these seeds are black in color. When the seeds turn black, then you have to cut it down. Otherwise, green seeds you don't have to cut it down. See, these are coxcomb. This is canna lily. This is a red canna. This is green canna. You can see. And this is my kitchen garden. These are maize plants which I have planted with the help of Almighty. I went to the kitchen garden to take out these maize, but they were not ripe. We went in our kitchen garden today. See my little kitchen garden. These are sunflowers. I also collect seeds. Its seeds also. And they also grow by seeds. So collect these seeds also. This maize plant, but it was not prepared. I was checking them so that we can eat them, but it was not prepared to eat. See my kitchen garden. See, we are walking and we are finding this is bottle gourd plant We have taken many bottle gourd from this. I was checking this. Is there any one which is prepared to eat, but no one was there. I was seeing again and again so that we can eat it. Because it's organic. Our kitchen garden has given us many vegetables this year by the help of Almighty. But we were checking. We have eaten many. Still, I was checking today. We will eat someone. Is anyone ready? But there was no maize for. We wandered here and there to check it, but it was not. See the kitchen garden. How many maize plants I have planted myself. There are different kinds of maize. See, some are short, some are broad. This is chili plant. We are taking out the chilies from this. And these are nasturtium flowers. They also grow by seeds. This is a green canna. You can see my nasturtium flowers. These are yellow flowers. Hope you are liking my video. You will see my park. Inshallah, I will show all the flowers which I will plant in September, October. Winter flowers I have to seed. Calendula I have to seed now in September. I will show them inshallah. See, and this is a canna lily. Once you will plant, it will remain for your. It's sunflower. These yellow are sunflower, and I have to collect its seeds also. See my garden overview today. Today is 25 August. 26 August today. Sorry, not 25, 26 August. See, I don't know the name of these yellow flowers so that I can say these are also permanent flowers. See, these yellow flowers grow in bulks, but I don't know what their name is. I will confirm their name also, and I will inform about these flowers also. See, it was cloudy. These yellow flowers are very attractive flowers, and they grow in bulks. Everyone who used to see these, they are telling these are very nice flowers, and they are permanent flowers. Once you will plant, and it will remain in your house forever. Mashallah, see the beauty of these yellow flowers. See how many flowers these are in bulk. And these are canna. They have also attraction. This is gladia. They are also this flower plant is called salvia, and they are pink in color. They also have red color. See, not pink, is purplish, purple pink. This is red. It's called salvia. These are permanent flowers. They don't need enough water. Once you bring it, and it will also sprout next year itself. See my flowers. These are rain lily, white rain lily. They are also permanent flowers. I used to keep permanent flowers. These yellow are called tick seed. They are also permanent flowers. Once you will bring it, it will also sprout itself next year. These are all permanent flowers. It's one-time investment. You don't have to go again and again to bring the flowers. See how beautiful it's red canna. See my flowers. This is coxcomb. They grow through seeds. I have to collect these seeds also. I don't know the name of this flower. It is in flower pot. I don't know name. Today I am showing Mirabella jalapa only because I like these flowers very much, and these are very attractive flowers. They are also called 4 o'clock, and they stay for a long time in a garden. See. Hope you are liking my video. You will comment, you will share, and you will subscribe my channel. This is also coxcomb, but this large one. See the flowers.